Unscrew the air curtain ring. Unscrew the eyepiece. Align the protrusion on the disassembly tool with the groove of the field lens pressure in. Then remove the outer protective lens. Remove the outer protective lens. Install the white sealing ring into the lens. Attach the outer protective lens to the goggles. Use a disassembly tool to tighten the pressure ring. Insert the black sealing ring into the thread. Install the field lens. Install the air curtain ring. Install the field lens.